In this video, I'll show you how to link your eFootball account to Google Play. This is very important because it allows you to recover your account if you switch phones or accidentally delete the game. Let's get started. Open eFootball. Tap Extra. Now tap Support and then tap Link Data. Here, you'll see an option to link your current save data. Tap OK. You'll now see two options, Link to Google Play, Link to Konami ID. I already showed how to link a Konami ID in another video. You'll find that link in the description. For this video, tap Link Google Play. If everything is set up correctly, your account should link immediately. However, if you see an error message, it usually means one of two things. You are not logged in to Google Play Games, or you don't have a Google Play Games account yet. Here's how to fix that. Open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. If you haven't joined Google Play Games, you'll see an option that says Join Google Play Games. If you already have an account, you'll see your profile instead. Tap it. Scroll down and tap Join. A Google Play Games account will now be created for you automatically. Tap Skip, then tap Skip again. Now go back to your profile and you should see your Google Play Games account. Tap on it. Here, you can change your username if you want. Tap the three-dot menu in the top corner. Select Privacy and Settings. Then tap Sign in Accounts. You should now see eFootball listed, along with other games that support Google Play sign-in. If eFootball shows as signed out, tap Change. Select your Google Play Games account. Then tap Save. Now return to the eFootball app. Go back to Link Data and tap Link Google Play again. This time, the linking should work successfully. And that's it! Your eFootball account is now linked to Google Play and your progress is safe. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with other eFootball players. Thanks for watching.